Hey y'all, it's Mary, and I have another box from Klever Beauty Box. They sent me a box last month and said that they would like to send me another box and that this was the August box. I thought that was the August box, y'all, so I'm a little confused, but they said, no, this is the August box, what they've sent me now. Now, I'm getting it here right at the end of August. And then I also received a box from Janet, a wonderful subscriber that lives in Hawaii, and she wanted to send me a couple of boxes. So I got a box that came directly from Klever Beauty Box from Janet. So I have shown you both of those boxes, and they were different boxes. So I don't know what this is. I assumed by the way that it talks that everybody would get the same thing each month, but that might not be the case. So Klever Beauty Box, it's showcasing the best independent beauty entrepreneurs the world over each month in our beauty box. They have indie beauty brands, and they appear to be, when I've investigated a little bit, mostly Asian beauty brands. And it's $29 a month. It can be as low as $25 a month depending on how long you sign up. You get 8 full-size beauty products, and the average value of the box is $105. And it says unique box every month, no repeats, and discover beauty trends and the best beauty deal ever, it says. So let's see what's in this box. It does come in a white bubble mailer, so I took it out of there, and it says, I believe you've been expecting me, and it's a nice box. So let's see what it looks like in there. It's really cute. The inside is pink, and it says surprise. And then your bundle is wrapped up really nicely. So, okay, it's upside down. It says, are you ready? And in that pretty tissue. So let's see. My box is popping open there. Let's see what's in here. I'm anxious to know if it's going to be the same box as one of the boxes I've already received. It is not the same box. It's a different box completely. I'm so confused, y'all. Maybe, I don't know how they figure it, but hey, it's a completely different box. So what I'll do in the description of this, I will put the other 2 videos that I posted with this box, so you can see different products. Okay, I think it's all, yeah. Now, and also a lot of the stuff is shrink wrapped. So I'll open it up and come right back. All right, I do have 8 products here. So this is Mini Star Lasting Fix. Let me show it to you right quick and then I'll read it. It says loose setting powder, all day matte finish. Sets, mattifies, whatever. It's in a couple different languages on there. Lasting Fix Loose Setting Powder. And this is it. That's a nice big container. I do use setting powders. So let's see. We'll open it up and see what it's like in there. FX, Mini Star Lasting FX. It has a nice little powder puff, which is cute. Oh, and it's there's already some on there. I thought there'd be a seal or something, but there isn't. I always like to, I'm a makeup smeller. So anyway, let's see. So, you know, the finishing powder, even though it does have a little bit of a color, they often do, but they can work on so many different skin tones because you have your makeup on and then you want to set it. And if you just put it on lightly, it would blend with your skin tone. So, and then you can, I don't usually use something like this. I'll use a brush. And the next item is, they did send me a little brush. This is called iMagic Makeup. So this, it's a really big brush. I don't know if I'd use that for my eyes, maybe for some highlighter or something, but I was just gonna blend this in a little bit. So it usually, when you get it blended in, you can't really see the finishing powder. So I might have some storms going on here. So that's nice. I will put that, I will definitely use that. So I'm just so surprised that it's a 3rd box and it's different. So, all right, next up, all right, we've got that and the cute little brush. So this brush, it has powder on it now, but it has a little bit of an angle, just a little bit of an angle. And it's a nice handle to it. It's thick. I don't know what you would use that for. It's sort of thick to go on your eyelids, but I think it says the letter I, magic. So I don't really know what it's for. If you know what it's for, maybe under eye, you know, banana powder or something you can use it for. Next up is a lip tint. This is by the brand Poudre, and we've seen that a few times already, and I like their lippies. I have a couple that we've had in the past, and they're nice. Oops, I just broke the box. I try hard not to, but I did it. I did it anyway. Let's see what this looks like in here. Oh, look at that. Y'all, that looks like blood in there. That is so cool. It says lip tint. Expiration date and all on there. Let me see if I can, you know, things get so moved around here. If I have my magnifying glass, I think it's right here underneath something. Oh no, that's not it. All right. Oh, I forget I have I have a little one in here somewhere. I should have a little one in here somewhere. I'm making quite the mess, aren't I? Found it, and it said, let's see how it works. Okay, it has this going on here, and it's a lip stain. So it is like, it's very thin, like water. Can you see that? It just reminds me of some, like I'd carry this on Halloween. Okay, so it says on the box to evenly apply an appropriate amount of lip dye onto both lips with a brush head, which it does have, and repeatedly overlay the lip dye to create a rich and full lip makeup. So you just keep putting it on until it's the color you want it to be. So, and it'll stain your lips. And I wonder if that probably lasts a while. It has a little bit of a cherry scent, or candy. It smells sort of like candy. So now it's all over me, but I wonder if that'll wash off. We will see. Very interesting item there. Very interesting item. All right, next we have this pretty little box. And this is Yankina. Jewel Light, I think is what it's saying. Let's see what's in there. Oh, it's pretty. It's a pretty little component there. And then it says the name. The name's in that, all that sparkly. Look at how pretty that is, y'all. So let's see if we can see what this is. It's a shiny and delicate texture, easy to smudge in color, not easy to discolor. See the language barrier. Bring the finishing touch to the eye makeup, it says. Okay, so I was thinking it was a highlighter. Oh, golly, I hope it's catching all that light. It's like diamonds. Cute little container. And then let's see what that looks like. I'm not real big on liquid. Oh, is that pretty? On liquid eyeshadows. But I wouldn't put that on my whole eyelid anyway. It is so sparkly. You know, you could use it as a highlighter, but maybe, you know, up here, you can put it on. It's hard to do when you're in the camera, but maybe something like that. It's so sparkly. Goodness gracious, is that pretty? I love this container too. It's just adorable. Very classy looking. And then we have some mascara. This has a kangaroo on it. So is it from Australia? It's by the brand She Does. And it says, well, it's a mascara. Gently brush a layer of mascara from the bottom of the lashes. You know, just regular mascara things that we see. And I'm going to start using it right away. It says Big Lash. It's got the cute kangaroo right there. 3-in-1 mascara, it says. So let's see what it looks like. It's a really pretty container, really pretty. I like it, it's big. So there's the brush. That looks very nice. I don't know if see, I can't really, I have mascara on already, so it's hard to show you that, you know, but I like that brush. I will be putting this right into my mascaras. I recently changed out mascaras, and some of the new mascaras I don't like, so we're gonna throw that in and see if we like it. So I'm just can't get over that shimmer on this. Is fantastic. And then next up, I have a again, the brand Poudre, a liquid matte lipstick. So this let's see what it looks like. A liquid matte. Oh, okay, that. Now, you know, y'all, that is a really dark, it's a really chocolate brown. I don't care for this color for myself. I do, like I said, this brand, I have several other lippies that I've been using, and I like it. But I'm just not going to open that and swatch it, because I might be able to pass this on to one of y'all. It does say matte. So it'll go on as a matte, and then if you want it to be, you know, matte, I like a matte lip because it stays on, usually. But if you want a little bit of a shine to it, then you would just put a gloss over it. You know, maybe a clear gloss or a color gloss. It's a beautiful color. It's very much like coffee or a very milky chocolate. So I'm gonna put that back. Oh, Camille, please. Come on, love, just over there. Okay, and next up we have the Clear Color of Dew Glow Blush by Daryl. Camille, I'm gonna have to get you down, y'all. Oops, oh, I pushed her. Oh, I'm sorry, Camille. She just fell into my container of all my pens and things. Pens where I keep the scissors and the pens and all that. So she's kept on walking. So let's see what this is. It's a glow highlighter. Oh, this is different. This is what I like about this box. They have a lot of different things. It says multi-stick for lips and cheeks, okay? Buttery texture that instantly melts upon contact. And look at that cool container that it's in. Isn't that neat? It says it's number 2 juicy. So I'm getting some of that red. I think that's dried on me now. Oh, look at that. All right, let me take that plastic off. Okay, that is shiny. So it's gonna turn up like this, you know, like a deodorant does. And I'll just swatch it here so that you can see what it looks like. Whoops, that is nice. And the pigmented, I just did a little swipe and the pigment is nice and strong. It's very orangey. You know, this would be the kind of, you know, if you could put it on your lips and it would be very nice. If you put it for your cheeks, you'd have to then rub it in, you know. And, you know, it rubs down nicely. It rubs down nicely for color. So that is really cool. I love that. I love the way that is packaged. Really cool. I'm getting things all over me, y'all. And then I think that's the last thing here. I think we've been through everything. This says Mini Star Ultra HD Powder Palette. I will say that now this is the 3rd box we've gotten the palette in every box. The first box we got an eyeshadow palette. The second box we got a full face palette with some eyeshadow palette in there as well. And then this one is a powder palette. So this is interesting. It's tin. It shows these 6 colors and these 6 colors, and it's a tin. And it opens like this. Okay, wasn't sure how it was gonna open. There we go. Oh, wow. Okay, so there's many, many colors in there. So you've got bronzers, and I don't know, some of that, you know, some of this, I'm not good with bronzers. I don't know how to use them properly. So the dark ones, I'm not gonna swatch this because I don't wanna mess it up, because I'll probably pass this on to one of y'all because I don't know enough about it. I know that I would use, you know, like I was saying, like this to me looks like a banana powder where it has a little bit of a yellow tint. That can go under your eyes, and it helps with the darkness under your eyes. And then these colors I would use maybe to cover a blemish or something, or even with, you know, with a brush to put, you know, for face powder. But then when we start going into the darker ones, that would be more ideal for darker skin. And unless you know how to do the bronzing and contouring, that's the word I'm looking for. So this is really interesting. I like the way it's packaged. It has a little clip here and it snaps closed. Very interesting. Mini star. So that is a Ultra HD powder palette. And then we also have the finishing powder, which would be nice to use with that. And then we have this blush or lippy. I just think that's the coolest packaging. And we have this beautiful liquid lip. And the mascara, I'm anxious to try that. And this cute little brush. See, that can help you with blending, you know. I think that little one could. It's probably not what you use it for. And then we have this gorgeous highlighter, eyeshadow, brow color. I love the component. It's just so pretty. That's, let's see, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then this most interesting lip stain. There it is on me. You know, I just remember, it makes me think of a story that my grandmother used to tell us, my mom's mom used to tell us, that when she was in school, high school maybe, you know, they were not allowed to wear makeup. That was, you know, my grandmother was born in 1906, maybe? Okay, so a long time ago. And they were not to wear makeup to school. And her sister came home and told her mom that Elizabeth has lipstick on. So of course, you know, the mother took her aside and, you know, she was going to get in trouble over it. But she did not have lipstick on. What she was doing was she was pinching her lips to make them red. She would pinch them. So, and a lot of people would use like cherries or something to make their lips red. That's what this stain reminds me of. So you could put it on very lightly, you know, just a little bit, and put it all over your lips, you know, to blend it more if you just want a little bit of a color. And it also says you can build it up, and it does. It smells like candy. It smells like candy. It's sweet smelling. So very interesting box. This has been an experience to try this out. So thank you so much to Klever Beauty Box for sending this over to me. And this was the August box. And like I said, I do not know if you ordered this for August, if you would get these same items or if you'd get something else. I'm not really sure. So it's really cool that I have gotten 3 different boxes so far. So thanks for stopping by, y'all, and count your blessings. Bye-bye.